Oh yeah, so we dropped off the Civic to my friend's house. Now we're gonna pick up a Evo 10 motor for the same Evo 10 that we did the flex fuel gauge on and the rear diff. And now we're gonna pick up the motor, and the person that has the car blew the motor up, and now we're gonna change it for him and do some other stuff like new timing chain, new timing chain guide, and cams, and yeah. Okay, y'all. So we're in Massachusetts right now to do a clutch job on an Evo. We're gonna swap a twin disc in it, and we're 3 minutes away. So we're gonna do that. After we do the twin disc clutch on that Evo, we're gonna go and pick up the Evo that we did the flex fuel kit and and the diff. So, and after that, we're gonna pick up that Evo and bring it home to do an engine swap. Okay, y'all. So we finished the clutch job on the Evo 9. Couldn't record. All I did was take a few pictures. I'll put it in the video. But now we're heading to get the Evo 10, so we could put it, so we could hook it up on the trailer and bring it home. Yeah, 7 minutes away.
Bueno, ya que tengo cloche, bro. Es que se quita con el fondo, Dale un poquito para allá. Para.
Okay, so we got the motor on the engine stand. Now we're gonna start taking out the valve cover so we can keep the timing chain and all that, because we're gonna put everything new for the customer. And yeah. Look at that, super clean. Very clean. Okay, so we're gonna start taking the oil pan out. So we gotta take the valve cover because the bottom bolts right here holds the timing cover, and we gotta take that out first so we can take the timing cover. Alright, y'all, so we are going to put the custom Evo on ramps in the rear, and then on the front some jack stands so we could start working on it. And as y'all can tell, the motor is not good at all. And on the catch can, there's a lot of smoke too. But yeah, we're putting it on in the air, so that way we could, when we start working on it, we should be good and we could save up some time. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so we put the core on jack stands. I don't remember if I recorded us putting it on jack stands. I remember I did do the ramps in the back. I remember, but we got it on jack stands now, so we could start tearing it apart. The tools you need to take a motor on the Evo 10 is a hammer, double swivel wrenches. These could literally save your life. But they are a little expensive, but it's worth it. I'm not sure which ones you need to use, but double swivel wrenches, and these could literally it'll be super easy when you take like an intake on the Evo 10 motors, because if you've worked on them, you know how horrible it is to work on to take the intake or the manifold or something like that. Same with the K series. But yeah, you need a double swivel, this fork to take out the release bearing, I think is what it's called. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the video. Extensions, obviously the impact, the electric ratchet, 10, 12, 14, 17, 19, 17, and 19 millimeter sockets, extensions for the impact, and 10, 12, 14, and 17 millimeter wrenches, and a screwdriver, and also 32 millimeter socket for it's probably for the axles. So that's probably what you need. We were gonna try and take the motor out by taking the subframe out like you're supposed to do, but it's gonna be harder because we don't got a lift and it's super hard. So we're just gonna take it from the top normally, so that way we can save some time and all that, and yeah.